Hey, it's Jonjinsky here, and figured I'd start off this video. Got a new fuel pump, new battery in. Figured I'd go for a test ride, and went to record the beginning of my video. Had something in the way of the camera lens, so just cut that out. So enjoy 2/3 of the video. Either ways, let's go.
Yeah, you'd be surprised. People all the time will stop you and ask you what it is. Look at that rainbow. End of discussion. Beautiful. End of the rainbow, or whatever they say. And they got the powder coat to match, even though it doesn't match as well. The flake's a lot smaller, but it still works. All right. I don't know where I should get a cheesesteak. There's two places, and the one I think I should go to would be Sophia's. That's going to be the best. They got the best Italian white pies. God, it's so close to scraping. Jesus Christ. Make a left. This will be a nice test too for the new fuel pump. Because on the way back, I'm going to be hitting it hard. Ready to rock and roll. Always full to the side. Seen so many people get in accidents, not being able to avoid it. Even at that, I have this little ass mirror. I'm making it. Baby, let's get it. Just kidding, I'm not gonna floor it. These roads are so bad over here, you'll see when I go on the downhill part. It takes me a while to get to 35, dude. And even at that, I don't want to go down here on 35. You'll see, there's this spot. You gotta ride it right on this white line, and even still, there we go. There's no cars behind me. Jesus, these bumps are so bad. This thing's so long. The 14-inch stretch for a GET, longest I've seen, and it bounces back. The ascent bumps out on you, so the front end will stay planted down because I'm sitting up here, but the back end will kick out, and it'll kick out to the right or the left. Not exactly the most fun, I'd say, but I think a frame stabilizer down the middle might help it. But I mean, I don't want to go much faster. I could. There we go. We're gonna go to Sophia's and see how the road is. See if my neighbor lied to me. So they redid the road over by Sophia's, and I could have just made a right at the Turkey Hill and went down that way. But they redid the road there, and the drop from the new pavement to the old pavement was probably, I'd say, a foot, to at least 12 inches. And I'm not about to do that. My header's maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches off the ground. Sounds really good. I know the Jennings is a little up, but it doesn't pop too much. I've just been using the 5G rollers that came with the TRS Stage 2 kit. Look at that leash, that's weird. Imagine if a dog tries to pull you away, you're done. Sounds so nice. What time is it? 1. Okay. I usually go fishing back here sometimes. There's a stocked with trout lake not too far from me. I just got my fishing license and my trout stamp. I'm ready to go fishing. I'm probably going tomorrow. I might go in the morning. My friend's supposed to come over, smoke some fucking ribs, ride some bike, bring down a pocket bike, we can pick that up. There you are, record a video of that. This thing's not bad, like in flat road, traffic, 35 already, and I'm over the speed limit, it's a 25. Max throttle, to be fair, but I'm trying to test the fuel pump. Let's hope this road's not bad, dude. This road's killer. At least it was. It looks like it is. Is it still bad? Oh god, let's just do it. Not much you can do when you're in traffic. Gravel. Alright. I have such bad cotton mouth. That's why I'm sounding funny when I'm talking, so soda and a cheesesteak. Definitely sounds good. Alright guys. That's it. I'm gonna go eat. Hope you guys enjoyed the ride, and nothing like rocks kicking on the back of you. Peace out.
Didn't even realize it's Cinco de Mayo, so you bet I'm getting some tacos. Bringing them home. We'll see what happens.
And yeah, this video might be backwards. I'm not too sure what to do. Just because I was supposed to test this bike today, so I installed a new fuel pump as well as a new battery. And I didn't realize, I thought my fuel pump was supposed to be loud and click like it did. But surely enough, this new fuel pump barely makes any noise, and it runs phenomenally. So I'm gonna take the uphill way home. They just redid this road, and I hope sure to hell. Alright, we're good. Yeah, I don't want to mess that up again. There we go. I think I'm gonna go over here. Can't do this with the car. Dude, these roads are so bad. I don't know how they can get away with calling this fixable. Here we are. These are nice, but the drop-off, at least what was the drop-off at the top of the road was like at least 1.5 feet, 2 feet. What am I talking about? Something feels bumpy, huh? No time to check it now. riding on this thing. Supposed to be a nice week, but ended up raining all week, so weekend's supposed to be good. Today's Friday. Gonna ride tomorrow a little bit more, maybe go fishing. I said that earlier to be fair, but I don't know what I'm re-recording when I'm not recording. Yeah, I'm hitting 35 the whole time. I better slow down. Gotta watch these bumps, but the last thing I want is somebody like opening their door and hitting me as well, so I'd have to figure out a good balance. Yeah, this thing, it zips, it gets you up to 30 nicely. That's about it, unfortunately. I'll make another video fixing the jetting on this thing, or maybe swapping it when I have a couple more dollars saved up, figuring something out, because this is just, I can't go to really many car shows that are too far from me. Just because I don't want to be that guy going 35 uphill, having everybody slow behind me, because I know when I'm, busy, needing to go to work, or I'm late running to work, the last thing I want is some asshole going 35 the whole time. I'm impatient. If I see he's on a bike, I'll be a little bit more, forgiving, but itch my eye. No one was behind me. But yeah, I'll be a little more forgiving if he's on a bike, but I know that I'm just impatient, really. These roads are so bad over here, you'll see. Sounds great. I think I'd rather this spiral exhaust than performance, unfortunately. I had a Yoshimura exhaust before, and on flats I could hit 50. It was uphill, it was still the same 35, unfortunately, but I have yet to hit 50 in this new build. I think I hit 45 and ran out of road, but I wasn't running out of road as much before. Definitely a little slower. Still fun. This bike sounds amazing, though. Yeah, nothing fun about being in the city, I'll tell you that. People just, you can't trust anyone, unfortunately, and Alright, well, peace out, people. Appreciate you watching, and definitely keep your eyes out for more content. I might do some more build stuff. I might do some video game console modding videos. I don't know. I have so many weird niches and hobbies that I just want to put into one channel, but I know that's not going to get too many people's attention. I'll do it for fun more than that. Hey, man, peace out, everybody. Have a good one.